The profile of Sunshine Group. Sunshine Luggage Group is a comprehensive group company specializing in luggage research and development, production, and sales. Now we have three wholly owned subsidiaries: Guangzhou Sunshine Luggage Company Limited, which focuses on R&D, design, brand promotion, and sales; Hunan and Guizhou Sunshine Luggage Company Limited, which are focused on producing and manufacturing. Our company passed the ISO 9001 and BSCI certifications. There are more than 50 brand operation teams, 60 excellent R&D research staffs, and more than 20 international trade teams. We have 30 advanced domestic backpack production lines and more than 60 QC teams, 1,000 square meters showroom. There are 1,500 frontline production workers. The annual output reaches 4.5 million pieces, annual output value of 450 million. Products are exported to Europe, Americas, Australia, Southeast Asia, Japan,